Good evening to all of you. I'm Mahi, and today we are here for debate. That is, working woman versus housewife. So we are in the favor of working woman, and they are in the favor of housewife. So let's start. A working woman is far happier in what she does. She has no space for negativity in her mind. She makes friends at work who are ambitious like her and help her to deal with the issues of life. Working gives women opportunities to meet new people and learn new skills, which can help them to achieve their goals in their life. And it also helps to build their confidence and self-esteem, which is essential for women who wants to be equal partners in their home and society at large. A woman can not only take care of a family but can also manage a job with equal efficiency. Female participation in the working industry is very essential for an inclusive and sustainable development of the country. Working mothers are role models of their children. A working woman is an inspiration for every woman who wants to be productive and learn new skills in every sector of work. So that's all my points. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Deepika Kumari, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to say something about a housewife. A housewife is the most important role in our life. Housewife is a married woman who doesn't have job outside the home, and she spends her all time on cleaning the house, cooking food, laundry, and looking after her family. A housewife is also known as housemaker, stay-at-home mother, and mistress of the house. A housewife can relieve a man of the problem at home who can travel and work overtime without worry about who will take care of his family, his parents, his children, and his home, etc. And my second point is housewife play vital role in the Indian economic growth. A housewife is largest consumer in the market. She decides what to purchase and the most important, how much to purchase. She purchased groceries, accessories, clothing, and many other daily such items, which ultimately added to the economic growth of the country. And my third point is, in earlier period, women were uneducated and they got married in early age, like 12, 13. Even then, she came to her husband's house and take care of his parents and everything behind him. And my fourth and last point is, the definition of housewife plays vital role. The definition of housewife itself proved that how challenging the role of a woman itself play. It contains many responsibilities and roles in itself. She works 24/7 without questioning, and in reward, she doesn't get anything. Thank you so much.
Hello and good evening one and all presented over here. I'm Saurabh Kumar and today I am here in the favor of working women. According to my point of view, working women is much better than the housewives because they are the very big financial supports to our family in this ever rising inflation. They are the independent lady and the smarter because they are well educated and they are the independent ladies. Their partners will also understand them and they will also understand their partners, and they both each other by handling all the household works very nicely. It is very difficult to fool her because and they will able to give the valuable and the helpful suggestions to everyone. They will give the lots of suggestions to their children in every sectors, in the education sector, in the playing sector, or any other sectors, because they know everything about the education, about other games, and their children are also very well educated because they are also understanding their parents and they also want to be like their parents. You know that working woman means that it is very proud to our country that our country ladies are also earning and they are also independent in every sectors. Thank you. These are all our points.
Hello friends, myself Deepu and today's topic is housewives. We know guys, in Indian culture we also call housewives as Annapurna. Means they fulfill every needs of family, they arrange house, and we know house arrangement is very difficult task to do, but housewife do it every day. My second point is caring child and old parents. We know guys, a old child and old parents mentality are same. They anytime they anger, anytime they cry, and but housewives manage it every day and solve their problems. My third point is making a good profile in society. Guys, housewives are very aware about the self-respect and the family respect, and they manage it every day and they make their family proud. My fourth point is connectivity with relatives. We see in a festival in culture, they very aware about our culture. They see our cultures, and that thing make housewives more proud in our country. So this is my point. Thank you for listening point carefully.
Hello, good morning to all of you. My name is Saurabh Kumar. I want to say about working women. Nowadays, working women motivation for us who aren't allowed to leave their house, and working women manage both sector, office and house. Even it's very important and respectful in our society. Working women doesn't depend on other like that husband, parents and children. Working women includes more income for their family and saving for our family future. We see working women with great respect and liked by all of us in our society. They are suggestion in consideration in a family, because working women have independent decision making power as well, and they have colleagues to interact with us.
Hello guys, good evening to all of you. Meet me, I am Rahul. Today I'm telling about working wife. Yes guys, I'm giving the sub examples like that. My first example is housewife is very most important in every house, because housewives. I'm giving the lots of examples like that. My first one is a housewife can take more time to for all family members, but working wife they have no time to give to so much. My next point is housewife is a housewife can in nuclear family housewife can take care kids and childs and husbands and uh, and childs they can't face to lots of problems when housewife can your house is present, and housewife when housewife present is the house, that times childs they can't fear scared and loneliness, these types of and my next point is housewife is in housewife like that responsibility and kids and childs very carefully. Thanks.
Respected sir and my dear friends, hello, good evening to all of you. I am Kushi. Today I want to say about working woman. A working woman is self-dependent and take decision on her own, and also support their family financially. Today life has become very expensive, so husband and wife need to earn money. Working woman allows themselves to pursue their dreams and talent, as well as work on their goals by pursuing careers of their choice. Thank you.